Hi guys, this is Pat with Big Bob's Flooring. Today we're going to go over lots of different options that we have for bathrooms. So first we'll start off with vinyl. The nice thing about vinyl is that you get some really interesting patterns. There's a variety of different things, in any from crazy patterns to your tiles to your wood patterns. So there's lots of different ones that you can choose from. The beauty of putting vinyl in is that it's quick. It makes it more of a waterproof type floor because you won't have no seams or anything in there. And so that's what's used most of the time. You can go over top of the vinyl that's existing there too, and just go where you have to do an embossing, and then you would do the vinyl over top of that. So vinyl is the most popular that you'll see in most of the bathrooms. The other product that we use a lot too, like if you decide to do it throughout your whole house, there's a waterproof vinyl plank. The beauty of this is that you can put it not only throughout the living room, the kitchen, but you can also run it into the bathroom, which gives you that flow, so everything looks the same throughout the whole house. So another option too is if you decide that you don't want it to flow throughout the whole house, but you still want to use the vinyl plank, is that they have several tiles. I'll show you a couple of different ones. Like this one's made by Shaw. This is a stone core, so it makes it a very hard finish on it. But you can get a copper look, you can get some really cool looks. What's nice about this, if the floor's not perfect, it can kind of go over some of the things in the bathrooms without having to necessarily fix them all the way. Now, of course, you always need to ask and check on it. You might have to do more repairs, but by being a little bit more of a stiffer board, it can go over top of things in the bathroom and makes it a quick, easy job. Also, what's nice about this installing it versus the vinyl, if you make a cut or a mistake in the vinyl, you almost have to get another piece or patch it back together. But with this product, is you're installing it since it's squares. If you make a cut or do something wrong, you just gotta grab another square. So it works out really well. It's a moderate price. So again, like I said, the vinyl will probably be kind of your least expensive, and then you go up into the LVT boards, and that would be your next one for expense. And then you get into the tiles, which are a little bit more. But as you can see, there's some great designs. There's even one that looks like marble, like your tile. We've done this in several areas. It looks very beautiful, very bright, and gives you a great look. So this has been fantastic. Again, the stiffness of it is fantastic. Makes it great for bathrooms. Also, when it locks together, it gives you that waterproofness. It would take a flooding or a lot of water coming up from underneath to cause any issues, which then you have other issues. So, our last one that we would have that's kind of the most expensive for bathrooms is your ceramic tile. Ceramic tile is great. It's something that will last forever. Once you put it in, if you do it properly and you get the right tile, you'll never have to replace it again. So that's always been great with the tiles. The only downfall of it is probably your most expensive. Labor is almost 3 to 4 times more than most of the other products that I've shown you today. And you could do it yourself, but a lot of times I recommend to get a professional to do it. It makes it look much better. The other thing is too, some of these tiles can get pretty spendy because of the intricate design, but you would have a bathroom that it would be amazing. So that's the beauty of the tiles. You can do lots of different colors, different designs, and different patterns. And you can run it on the floor and run up the wall, which the other products I was showing you, most of them you cannot do that. So that's also the beauty of tile, is that you can do everything in tile in the bathroom if you want to. And so them are the choices that we have for bathrooms. There's, like I said, come down. We got lots of different things. There's a lot of things to choose from, and we can help find a solution for you and get you taken care of.